This isn't where the wildlife is.
But it'd be like arriving in Sydney and expecting to see kangaroos jumping down the middle of Pitt Street.
Of course you don't.
It's not going to happen.
Cape Town's one of the few major cities where Kevin and Janetta haven't previously wheeled their designer luggage.
When I think about South Africa, I think of wild animals and safaris.
You think of the animals, Mandela.
Probably the most important historical figure the country ever.
Absolutely.
Have you heard of Nelson Mandela?
No.
All right.
South African history's not the only thing that Outback twins Stack and Mel are struggling to get their heads around.
We didn't really know too much about South Africa. We thought it was just real dangerous. Our driver got talking in this lingo we didn't understand with these clicks. Like, sounded pretty cool. I didn't even realise that there was cars over here. It's actually just like a normal city, like big buildings. It's unbelievable to think something like that was in Africa. You've even got KFC here.
Yeah, that's right.